The other day I was playing some Nitro type, and I was thinking, I could probably bot this game. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, it's important to pick a name that would not arouse suspicion. So, it is I, Mr. Bologna. Alright, I've been doing this for a while now. I've been on Stack Overflow. I've been on the internet. It's time to run it. It should just log in. It just needs to log in. And it's broken. Alright, we're making great progress here. Now, it logs in. It starts a race. It reads the text it needs to type. And it prints the text in the command line right there. Perfect for use in the typing part of the program. All you gotta do is type, and then that's a real person. That person paid money to type this game. And now I'm here ruining his fun. A laboratory working with Cambridge University has. There we go. It works, and it's broken. Mr. Bologna is done. He's going to start this race, and he's going to type so fast, no one's going to be able to beat him. I actually don't know how fast he's going to type. I have a sleep of 0.1 seconds between each character press. That guy who paid money, he's going to lose. When decision time has arrived, try to spend some time. My guy's going 40 words per minute, 43 words per minute. That's like the average human typing speed. Why would I want to do that? I'm going to have to quicken this boy up. Mission accomplished. I got banned on Nitro type. I'll put this up on GitHub if you care, but then I looked it up and there's like a dozen of these sorts of bots, so you could probably just use one of them and they'll probably be easier. But I did it with my brain power. It's a learning experience. It's all about the brain. Peace.